What's the meaning of basics? Basics. Basics.
Basics. Basics. Basics refer to the fundamental principles or essential elements of a subject, concept or skill. It can be viewed as the foundation or starting point of knowledge or learning. Understanding the basics is crucial for building advanced knowledge in any field. The term basics can be applied to various domains, such as mathematics, science, language, music, and sports. For example, in mathematics, the basics would include understanding arithmetic operations, fractions, and equations. In language learning, it would involve learning grammar rules, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Similarly, in sports, basics would encompass fundamental skills, such as dribbling in basketball or kicking in soccer. Overall, mastering the basics is vital to achieving proficiency in any domain.